Ever wondered why some men can effortlessly attract women while others struggle to make a connection? Is it just good looks? Nope, it's something far deeper and much more fascinating: psychology. In this video, we'll explore powerful psychological triggers backed by science that can make you irresistibly attractive to women. But be careful. These insights aren't for manipulation. They are for building genuine, magnetic relationships. By the end of this video, you'll uncover techniques that some might call dark psychology, but what makes them powerful is the science behind them: ethical, effective, and life-changing. Ready to dive in? Let's go. According to a study published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology, women are naturally drawn to men who exhibit confidence. It signals competence and stability. Maintain a relaxed posture, make steady eye contact, and smile genuinely even if you don't feel confident. Act as if you do. Your brain will follow. But what if confidence isn't enough? There's another, even more powerful trigger. The halo effect is a cognitive bias where people attribute positive qualities to someone who has a single appealing trait. A 2017 study from Harvard found that being well-groomed increases perceived attractiveness by up to 38%. Focus on personal hygiene, dress sharply, and find a signature scent. Focus on attraction and humanity, and you will find the secret technique that almost feels like mind reading. Mirror neurons in our brains cause us to subconsciously mimic and feel connected to people who reflect our emotions. When talking to someone, subtly mirror their body language and tone. For example, if they are speaking softly, lower your tone slightly. This builds instant rapport, making them feel understood and connected. Still with me? Let's take it up a notch with the psychology of scarcity. People value what's scarce or hard to get, the famous cookie jar experiment, and that people rated cookies in a nearly empty jar as more desirable than identical cookies in a full jar. Show that you're busy and have priorities. Don't always be readily available. Women are more attracted to men who value their time. These psychological triggers, confidence, the halo effect, empathy through mirror neurons, and scarcity aren't just tricks. They're tools to understand and connect with others more deeply. But remember, the key is authenticity. Use these techniques not to manipulate, but to foster genuine attraction and meaningful relationships. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments.